you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's New Video Tuesday. I've got a food pantry haul video for you, and I went to a different food pantry. Now I noticed there's some similarities in some things, but some differences in the meat department. Come on, let's see what I got and what's going to feed a family for this week. We are going to start from the left, and we're going to go all the way to the right. Now, we've got, oh, this is from last week. Why is it still here? Don't laugh. Don't laugh at me. We actually got 4 cans of tomato soup. Now, we've all seen this brand before, but I've got a lot of another item that I'm going to show you what I'm going to make with these 4 cans of soup. I'm glad I got them. Now, 4 mixed green beans. That's good. I can make a soul food dinner for them. Oh, yeah. Or a green bean casserole. Then we've got 3 cans of low sodium spaghetti. Sauce, that is. You know I love that. 2 cans of black beans. Then look at this. We've got 3 dried milks. The packages. This is so handy. I'm telling you all, don't pass on this. Look at my video on how to make this taste good. You're going to love it. It'll save you so much money, okay? Then we've got some beef steak rye bread, which is so good with sandwiches. Oh, yes. Of course, macaroni and cheese, that good old standby. The pasta in here is so useful. You could use it for macaroni and cheese. You could use it for casseroles, cold salads. Yes, yes, yes. And a macaroni necklace if you want to do that. Anyway, I got some Rice Krispies. They have the same brand. Every food pantry I've gone to has this brand. Every single one. Then we've got some raisins. I figured you could mix the raisins with the Rice Krispies and have Raisin Krispies. It could be a thing. Okay. Now let's jump over here. Now, look how many bags of carrots they gave me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then a whole bag of onions. Now, why am I excited about that? You go, carrots and onions. Check this out. I could make a tomato, carrot, and onion soup. It's delicious. I've done it before. You'll be surprised at how it tastes. It's sweet and savory all at the same time. And that robust flavor of the sweet onions coming through along with the carrots is heaven. I'm telling you now, okay? Then I got a bag of apples, a celery, 2 frozen, I believe these are peaches. Yes, 2 frozen cups of peaches. Then somebody, it must be a restaurant supply house, is giving away all this ketchup. But you know what? It's great and handy for to go and in your lunch, or when you go to McDonald's or something and they don't give you any ketchup. You know what I mean. Okay. We've got some frozen meat here. What is this? Ground chicken. Frozen ground chicken. Now I'm going to have to wash all this off because apparently something was frozen next to this. A meat that had some kind of blood in it, but that's okay. I have Linko in my dishwater. Then we've got some frozen fish nuggets. These are great for the kids. You can pop these in the air fryer or the toaster oven, and they're just as good as frying them. Then we look at this. This is, I'm excited. You got a huge thing of ground beef. Let's see, certified Angus. Wow, I've never gotten that in other food pantries, so it's interesting. Then we got a 2% reduced fat milk. Okay? Now, all of this could be a really great meal if you know how to put this together, and I can show them. And I can show you too. Okay? Sometimes, yes, I do cook for people. I'll probably make this soup for them. Let's take a look over here so you guys can see everything we've got. Yes, this will feed a family for at least a week, if not more. Okay? Now, as I have said before, go to more than one food pantry. Things can vary, or if you need more food, you can double up. Don't be ashamed of that. If you've got a large family, there's nothing wrong with doubling up. If it's just yourself and you can't get out all the time, double up when you can. Okay? Stack it up so you can save it and have food for a while. Now, if you've got some questions about some recipes or how to stretch recipes or meals for one, we're going to start some videos on that. And write to me and let me know what you want to see. Okay? Like, comment, subscribe. Okay? Give me a super thanks. Buy me a cup of coffee if you can. Support the channel. Spread me around. Okay? Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Let's see, is there anything else? Oh, the orange cream jello. You guys wanted to get that? I'm going to make that. And yes, the Puerto Rican rice is coming. We had the video, but we had a few technical difficulties. And I got a blooper video coming up soon. All right, guys. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got?